welcome back to my channel. It's been about 45 minutes since I woke up. I've just had a shower. I did also brush my teeth. I know I didn't show that, but I did brush my teeth. This is a little bit TMI and a little bit gross, but if you didn't watch my last video, I actually had my seconds pierced like a few weeks ago now. 2 weeks ago. It'll be 2 weeks on Thursday. And this one's very swollen and very red. Like, it doesn't look red now. It's actually calmed down quite a lot. See at the start of this video when I wake up, you'll see that this is very red. But when I touch it, I can feel that there's stuff in there. And I took a photo this morning of the back and there was like goo. And I don't know what that is and I don't know what it means. But I've salt watered it and I've sprayed it with like solution. This one is fine. Fingers crossed it stays fine, but this one I don't know what's going on and it's really upsetting me. If any of you guys know if this is normal, please comment down below because I don't know what's going on. It's freaking me out. I've actually got an interview today for a job, so I'm gonna get ready like I normally do. Normally I wouldn't get ready on a day like today, but because I've got an interview I kind of want to look presentable, so that is exactly what I'm gonna do. Okay guys, so I'm now all ready for the day. It went really dark in here, probably because it's raining outside, so I have got my ring light on. But I'm now gonna go make some breakfast. I mean, it is 11:45, so it's kind of like probably gonna be a brunch. I'm gonna go make some food now, then I'll carry on with my day. Guys, I'm gonna end the video here. I really hope you all enjoyed. Breakfast slash brunch was so yummy. I really enjoyed it. I will link my TikTok account that I post daily, sort of, down below. But if you all enjoyed this video, smash a big thumbs up and subscribe if you're new or if you haven't already. Also, wish me luck for my job interview. Bye!